Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful quilling peacock. This is a Kumkum box, or you can say small gift box, and this is completely made out of paper quilling strips. You can just open the box like this. Isn't it very pretty and cute showpiece as well? So without any delay, let's start with the procedure. For this we need half cut pearls, some golden sequences, liquid glue, scissor, quilling mold, pencil, quilling tool, some 3 mm quilling strips and some 5 mm quilling strips. So first I am starting with making the box. For this I am taking 3 purple, 4 blue, 5 light green, 5 light purple, 5 pink, 6 dark green and 5 navy blue color 5 mm quilling strips. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. So I am just connecting these strips in the sequence which I have told you and create a big tight coil. So we have reached till the end. I have added glue and just securing it. Now I am opening it slowly using my fingers to create a dome kind of shape. Like this. Just added glue inside the dome and spreading it using my brush. In the same way, I have created one more dome using the same number of strips. Just this one have the flat base and this one have little pointed base. So the one will be the base and one will be the lid. Allow it to dry. Now I am starting with some basic shapes of quilling. For the first shape I am taking half strip of light blue and half strip of navy blue color and making one teardrop shape. Till now I am using only 5 mm strips. Like this. Now for the next shape I am taking half strip of dark green and half strip of light green and making one tight coil. Then for the next shape I am taking half strip of light purple. Like this. So all these three shapes we need 26 in quantity, that is 26 this, 26 this and 26 this. Now here I have created this big ring using 15 blue and 12 navy blue color 5 mm strips, and the diameter is approx 6.5 centimeters. I have just wrapped my strips around the cap of the bottle and created this big ring. Now I will start decorating this using my quilling shapes. So just add glue on the edge of this ring, and first I will connect these green color tight coils. Like this. Then between each tight coil I am adding this blue teardrop. Then I am adding these purple tight coil between each teardrop. So the base is ready. Now I am starting with making this tight coil, which is made using 3 blue color 5 mm strips, and just inserting one pencil through this to create a cone. Here I am creating the neck of the peacock. Just bend it like this, add glue inside this and allow it to dry. So I have added glue and it's quite dry. Here I am cutting this diagonally on the edge little bit using my scissors so that we can connect the neck with the body easily. Just add glue if any part is coming out. And this is done. Now take back the base of the box and just connecting the neck like this. Now here I am taking this 2.5 strip of blue color, and now I am taking 3 mm strip to create the face of the peacock. So just make a tight coil and then make a little dome. To create a dome I am using my quilling mold. Add glue inside this dome, and in the same way I have created one more dome, so just join both the domes with each other and the face of peacock is ready. The neck portion is completely dried, so I am going to connect face with the neck. Like this. Now to create feathers, first I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow, half strip of light blue and making one teardrop shape. Then I am taking half strip of light green and making one bended semicircle. To create all feather parts, I am taking 3 mm strips. Add glue with this and connect teardrop with bended semicircle and wrapping this whole design using half strip of dark green color. Like this. Now I am taking half strip of dark green again, folding it from center, add glue on both the sides and stick your quilling petal between this, like this. Now I am taking this small dark green colored 3 mm strip, just make a open coil. In the same way I have created lots of open coils. Now I will add 4 open coils on right side and 4 open coils on left side. So the feather is ready. In the same way I have created 6 big feathers and 3 small feathers. For the small feather I have used 1/4 strip for the base, this base stick. Rest the process is same. Now I will join all 6 feathers with each other from the bottom and similarly all 3 small feathers from the bottom. And then I am just sticking both the bunch with each other like this. Now take back your peacock. Here I am adding the small beak which is created using 1/4 strip of orange color 3 mm. Just created small cone and twisted it little bit. Then adding this crown which is made using 3 open coils of blue color strips. Now I am decorating the lead part using some half cut pearls. Then I am sticking the base box with the base design. And then here I have added one blue color tight coil in the bottom of the bunch of feathers so that we can easily connect feather with the base. So just add little glue and stick with the base box so that it will look like peacock tail. And then I am adding the lead. Here on the top I am adding one yellow color tight coil which is made using 2 strips of 3 mm yellow color. This is a dome shape, and now I am decorating the base little bit using golden color sequences. Like this. So the beautiful peacock shaped kumkum box or gift box is completed. I'm just loving this outcome, and I'm sure you will try this very soon. It's looking very vibrant and super gorgeous. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.